Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be reviewing and testing another product here. Once again, the company didn't send it out to me. I mean, normally after some YouTuber does that, they'll have something right here like a QR code, a commissions fee. Is like, you say you didn't, you say you ain't sponsored and you get nothing out of it, yet you got a commissions fee QR code. But sorry about that, but today, I don't know. I got this weird socket I got for Christmas. You guys are probably wondering what it is. But you guys may have saw this socket on the internet somewhere, but what you do is just put it down and it does any bolt. Any bolt from 1/4 to a 3/4 or 1/2 inch to a 3/4 inch or 7mm to set a 19mm. Pretty nice to have it both in metric and standard here, but let's try out a few bolts and stuff and let's see if it would actually unbolt it or is it a dud. Alright, ready? Here we go. We got some packaging. What it comes with, you know, the socket, and it comes with a nice bit thing for a drill. Oh, yeah, yeah, it's for a drill, I think, but pretty nice. See? No instructions or stuff at the bottom, but we got some honeycomb. We got the chrome ballasia. We got the electrolytes. We got Pacify multifunction adapter set. I don't know why it says set when it's just a singular socket, but I don't know. Let's go try on a few things. All right, here we are on Christine's fender here. We got a 13mm bolt here. I'll be using 13 or metric bolts and metric sockets here, but yeah, let's go see how she'll do. So I don't really know how to do this. Can I be off centered or all right, so let's give it a try. Lefty loosey and oh, look at that. It's stuck on there. But it did it. It was loosening it. I shouldn't do it on an old car, but look at that. It actually loosened it. And it tightened. That works out pretty well, I gotta say. You know what? Here's an actual loose one. You can see a little bit of gap. I didn't touch it. You could tell it's been like that for a while, but what probably is happening here, yeah, I don't want to try that. I might snap the bolts and stuff, but yeah, let's go try another side. All right, here we go. We got a 11mm. Also, I don't get why people say that older cars back then didn't use metric. 1964 Starliner here. This is clearly a metric thing. Let's see if I can find where it is. But yeah, it's a Pittsville 11mm. It goes on there nice and snug. But yeah, let's go try the goofy looking socket. But go here. It's loosening. Let me get a little bit higher so you guys believe me, but okay, there. Is that enough proof for you? But go tighten it. See, I like it. This is how wrench should be. Righty tighty. That's left. Loosey. But yeah. Oh well, you know, there I got it. Yeah. You saw that moving before? Not no more. And I could really just best to center it in the middle there. Let's go try one more example. And I apologize about the state of the art lighting in this place, but we got this 16mm. See, millimeter. It's a metric. It fits on there. I go here. Alright, this might not. Oh, never mind. Look at that. It finger loosen it. Remember, it's finger loose. So when I go tighten it now, and snug. Show proof of this. Nah, that's tight. Alright, I'm going to do my best to explain how this works and all. But this works pretty well. You can see these. Why it says the bolt goes in. It pushes the set around it. You can see. Fits pretty snug in there. That's why you really want to try to get in the center, so it's best. Then hypothetically, your little Allen screw, or thing, should, if you line it upright, should be able to work in there too. I do not recommend it. So if you try it and break it, well, that's not my fault. Well, I don't know. I showed you it, but I say I do not recommend it. So let me try to smile. All right. And now we got a smaller bolt. You can see it also pushes it in. Only the ones it needs. Once again, that's why it's also crucial to get it in the center. I don't know. I normally just got it in the first attempt, but yeah, you can get it there. You can get it there. I don't know, but I say that works great. I don't know. But yeah, guys, this works a lot greater than I expected. My expectations were pretty low coming into this for this socket here, but in the end, it hit it with the ball or hit with a baseball bat and did a home run. I mean, I'm pretty impressed with this. I mean, stick on here, works pretty well. I mean, if you don't want the hassle of, I don't know, bringing or trying to get a 7mm to 19mm to wherever you're going, or 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch socket, I recommend getting this. This is a great socket to have in your toolbox, and compared to all of those other sizes, look at all of these, compared to this. I know these will 100% fit your thing, but this, I mean, you're just starting out and just really need a cheap thing, the one size fits all. I really recommend getting this. I get it a 4.5 star. The reason why it's not 5.5, because I don't know, you don't get it right. It sounds like it, or feels like it's gonna snap the pins, but it doesn't. So that's why it's not lower, and that's why it's not higher. But a really good socket here, and yeah, guys, if you really like this video, and I don't know, you guys enjoy this kind of content, hit that like button and make sure you comment down below, because yeah, that helps the algorithm and shows YouTube that people actually like my videos and stuff. Because let's try to make 2026 my best year of YouTube so far, and let's go up and up, up from there. So hit that like button, comment down below, share with a friend, because yeah, you guys share with any friends of yours, guys, that have tools that work on stuff. I mean, this will probably also work anywhere you go. I mean, it goes pretty deep socket here, but yeah, that's all I gotta say, guys. Subscribe to the channel to see more content, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.